This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. The QuickBooks GoPayment app and QuickBooks Card Reader allow you to easily take payments from customers from your mobile device. Let's go over how to connect the card reader to your mobile device and then how to make a sale. Before you start, make sure you have installed the GoPayment app on your mobile device, your Bluetooth is turned on, and you have the QuickBooks Card Reader handy. To start, open the GoPayment app on your mobile device. Then turn on your card reader by pressing the power button at the top of the reader. The GoPayment app will automatically find your card reader. Select it, and now your card reader is connected to your mobile device and is ready for a sale. You can press the arrows on the reader to check that it's connected and also to check the battery level. That's it. Now you're ready to start taking payments by tap, insert, and digital wallet like Apple Pay and Google Pay. To make a sale, from the home screen, select New Sale. If you have items entered into GoPayment, then you can select one. If not, then enter in the amount of the item and a description if you want. If you have multiple items in the sale, select Add to add them. When you're finished, select Review Order. Check that the amount is correct. If you need to add sales tax, you can either select this icon to calculate it based on location or enter it manually. You can also add discounts or add information about your customer if you want. When you're ready for the customer to pay, select Charge and then select the card reader. Your customer will then pay by inserting their card, tapping their card, or tapping their mobile wallet. Once they pay, you can send them a sales receipt by email or text message if you want. Now you're ready to take payments on your mobile device with the GoPayment app and QuickBooks Card Reader.